seen a lot of change.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are still in Malawi, but then we are traveling from one town to Magochi. So enjoy today's vlog. I'm not going to show you so much about farming, just my room tour and the whole road trip. So please subscribe if you have not, and please like the video and share it if you can. Thank you.
I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Here with Kuli again. We are coming from Salima. Where are we going?
Magochi.
Magochi. So I'm busy editing the video and also uploading.
89 kilometers from here.
Oh, so tomorrow I will do another vlog on Right Malawi. Why are you putting it on bed? Hi. So here is just so like there are no garden or anything, just like that. That's just like getting up. There's nothing. There is maize here. Yeah. So far the way is good. We are rested now.
Only the potholes.
Yeah, this road is a terrible one. We had the best road all those previous 3 days. So enjoy the road and we are going to see
Chantulo.
Yeah.
Chantulo. In Chantulo now in the nice view, mountain there. Look at this beautiful view. Friendly people.
How did you see their friendliness?
Because they call it they say the warm heart of Africa. So we're in the warm heart of Africa with friendly people, some fish here. Where are you going to cook? Where are you going to cook the fish? And it's all green. It's like a forest. And that's our driver Jeffrey.
I'm here.
And the queen herself.
The ever beautiful Sophia.
I see some kettle here.
Oh, for the first time, kettles. Like this one is a kettle country.
Yeah, no, seems to be like Obama's. It's all green here. These people are crop scientists. They're crop. They know crop. They plant from every available space is being used to plant something. I see they can work with their hands. They can't wait for the government to provide for them. And that's a good one. That's a good one. Every available space up to the next to the road they plant, especially maize and the rice. You can see some rice plantations as well. But the road is not doing us justice at all. The road is so bad. We're driving on one side. Sometimes we drive 60 kilometers per hour, sometimes we drive 80 kilometers per hour. But through the grace of God we will reach. I think around 8 o'clock or so we will reach. So stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Mangochi, we just arrived in Mangochi.
Mutonengo.
Good morning, all the way from Magochi, Malawi. This is my room that I got. This is a bathroom. Bathroom here very huge, like look at all this space for bathroom. Yeah. And yeah, this is just a simple bathroom. I was already busy at the table, so I was busy with my gadget and stuff. Yeah, YouTube things. And there's a view from another side. You have this thing to put on your clothes. And then my bag here, my 2 bags, and then still charging things. This is day 1 in Magochi. We are just visiting one farmer. I mean a group of farmer. But then tomorrow we'll still be in the same room. I will show you the breakfast that we are going to have tomorrow. They cook nice food, especially the way they cook potatoes. You have potato for breakfast each and every day, but then it's cooked different way. And then there's salad, lot of vegetable and fruits. So most of their food are packed with lot of veggies. Hence, that's why they are very healthy. So this is Magochi. We arrived last night. We are spending a day today. And the other video that is on my channel about the Lake River Road is where we're here. It's in Magochi. It's the town that is closer to the Lake Malawi. So now I hope you have enjoyed this video. At the end of the video, there'll be the behind the scene of what happened when we're recording this video for you guys. So guys, what do you think about Malawi, and have you subscribed yet? If not, please subscribe. I'm trying to have some growth now. That's why I'm posting each and every day, because I want you guys to have content, and then give me suggestion on what you think I can be doing on my channel. For now, these were the vlogs that I shot in Malawi some few weeks ago, but then now I'm back in Namibia, and then I'm giving you Namibian content. So stay tuned. But for now, enjoy this the Malawian dance that we got from the farmer when we arrived. The farm tour and each and everything we are going to show you in the next video. This is our drink for the way going to the river. We are still in Magochi. Guys, thank you for watching our video. These are the Malawian houses, and this is how they are built. They are really beautiful, and please like, share and subscribe. Comment on what you want to see next on this Malawian video. Thank you. So, we are now going to Mambo. We are in Magochi. What do you think? Oh,